let's tour a standard room at Yacht Club with 2 queen beds, and it is a handicap accessible room. So this door has the handicap feature, and so when you hit this button, the door will prop and stay open. This room is unique because it does have a roll-in shower, and because it's handicap, the bathroom is spacious and it's all in one. So you have your sink, your toilet with your grab bars, and then you have your roll-in shower. So nice even floor, you can easily roll in, or if you're someone like the person in our party who just can't step over the tub, this is nice because it walks in. It comes with a shower head that you can pull down, the regular shower head, and this one does have a shower seat and it has a little nook. The only thing I don't love about the roll-in showers is if you're someone who has to use their own products, that shelf's not big for enough, so you do have to utilize the counter to bring it in and out or put it on the floor. Sink, pretty spacious. As you can see, there's no other storage because it is a roll-up to fit a wheelchair underneath. You still have the side mirror and your toilet with your grab bars and your shower. Here you have your little coffee station, ice machine. This is lower because it is a handicap room. Normally this would be a little bit higher, but because this is a handicap room, it's a little bit lower. Down here you have the cooler fridge, so it only gets to about 41 degrees and above, so it's not the coldest. So be careful when putting things like milk or other dairy products in there because it's not a real fridge. Then you have your hanging space. Because this is a handicap room, it doesn't have the shelves that the other rooms have, and there's no doors on these, but it's still a great deal of storage. You have your luggage rack, your iron, extra towels, your steam iron, your hair dryer, your safe. Then we come into the room. It is a connecting room, so if you ever needed that, it is an option. And then you have the 2 queen beds. The beds are lowered because it is a handicap room. So just keep that in mind if you are getting a handicap accessible room. You have a little table on that end, your thermostat, little Mickey, bed, and again, both beds are lower. Your little storage in the center. You also have a little bit more space in the room in terms of less furniture because of the mobility, being able to get around with a scooter or wheelchair. Okay. Nice little storage area. You can put your luggage there. You do have a desk if you need to get any work done. Nice little lamp. And then we do have the Hey Disney. So it says, "Hello friends, I'm the Disney Magical Companion, here to make your stay more delightful along with my friends." And then it goes into all about how you can use your Hey Disney feature. Let us check out this balcony. So this room does come with a balcony. It is a standard garden view room, but you actually can see the pool. This is the back entrance if you were to come in from Epcot or the boat from Hollywood Studios. So let's go out. And again, it has the ability to roll. And there are 2 chairs and a table out here. You have a view of the back entrance. The pool's right over there. And if you come and stand over here, you have the boat dock. We will actually probably have a semi view of the Epcot fireworks. We'll have to check that out later today. But yeah, this is an accessible room at Yacht Club, accessible with the roll-in shower, So it's a really nice room, really great setup. And like I said, you have storage here, you have storage over there, and you do have the space to move with a wheelchair. So one last view of that shower and your shower curtain too as well. I hope you liked the tour. Give it a thumbs up if you did. If you find this interesting, let me know. We can do some more resort tours. Coming up, we have a stay at the Grand Floridian. It will be another accessible room. Follow the channel for more Disney content.